Hey man, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm not coming on the camera looking all raw and stuff, but you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a wig from Cynosure Hair. I think I'm saying this right. Cynosure Hair. It comes in this cute little pink baggie, and it also comes with what comes in the bag. It comes with a wig cap, and it comes with some lashes. The lashes look like and all that. And it also comes with this curly wig. Now this wig is 22 inches. This wig is pre-plucked, I believe, because like looking at it, I don't have the links yet, so I really can't say too much. I really don't know the density and all that stuff, but you can definitely look at the density and all that stuff in the link down below. But looking at it, I did bleach it, and I went in and put like some contour around my lace to make it blend, because honey, I'm using the good glue today. I know y'all probably like, Eva, you don't never use Ghost Bond. You say you don't like Ghost Bond. I don't like it because sometimes my edge black is going away. Oh y'all, look at my it's makeup on this, and I just put makeup on my shirt. Oh well, but yeah. So it comes with adjustable straps, a comb on the side, and a comb right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on because I have belief that this wig is gonna look bomb, y'all, like super bomb. So of course I'm gonna wear this for the long run. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to look cute. I don't know about y'all, but I'm trying to look cute. Okay, oh my god, this looks really good already, and it's like I haven't even started. Okay, so you already know the drill. If y'all want to in-depth, like y'all want me to do like a if y'all want to do a cap method, I should start doing cap methods, but it's like I don't be wanting to because they take so long. Like, and my wig, I don't be leaving my wigs on that long, y'all, if we doing no cap method or nothing like that. So it's like cap method, okay. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and basically, y'all know the drill. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you are new. But if you are not new, well, if you are new, you already, well, if you're new, you don't know how to do my wigs. I just go through the sides and basically just shape the wig to my head before I start doing too much, you know. I think I'm gonna wear a side part with this wig. I really don't know yet, but when I figure it out, your girl gonna know. Your girl is going to know. Okay, this is how it's looking. I gotta go up a little more over here because it's a little too high. I mean, it's a little too low, and I don't want it too low to where it's over my ear, and the hair don't want to sit right. You know. I think I'm wearing some biker shorts today. Oh my god, y'all, that just came out of nowhere. Y'all probably like, girl, what? Okay, let me see what I'm working with so far. I'm gonna go through and brush this. This hair did not give me a hard time at all. One thing I do like about this hair, y'all, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. That's why I wish I knew the density, but everything you will need to know about the hair will be in the link down below, y'all. I promise, like, it's gonna be down there for y'all. So you can go look for yourself and all of that. And if I have a coupon code and all that, it'll definitely be down below. But like I said, I didn't get a link yet, so I don't know anything about the hair. I'm just like y'all, kind of clueless. Only thing I know is that the wig does look really nice. It does look nice. That's one thing I do know. So I'm gonna pull all this to the back real quick and pin this so I can go ahead and get my glue on, because I am using the good glue today. Dang, it's like this thing is still not low enough for my ear, but I can't keep pushing it back too far. So yeah, I think I'm just rambling right now, so I'm just gonna hush and let y'all just watch me install this wig. Okay, this is gonna be as best I'm gonna get it, y'all, because this stuff is not turning to clip for some reason. I think I put too much on, but hell, who cares at this point? So I'm just gonna place it anyways, you know, because I see some people place it when the glue is still wet. Like, I don't watch so many wig videos at this point. It's like I don't know what to do, who method to go by. I'm just gonna go by my own. So so looking at it, I think I need to pull some to the side a little bit more. Like, yeah. Okay, let's see how this is looking. I think I blow dried it a little too much, because now it's looking like the glue is not even sticking, which is weird because I want it to stick. Hold on, I'm gonna spray some water on this to make sure that this hair can just stay to the back while I'm figuring this out what I'm doing right here. here, because it's like right here. I guess I didn't put no glue right there, but yeah, so I'm gonna have to go in and put some more glue right there and all of that. But looking at it, I think it's doing pretty good, even though on the sides it's coming up a little bit. That's why I don't normally use Ghost Bond. I normally use Bold Hold, but I gave that away, so I don't have the Bold Hold anymore. But I'm gonna go in and cut this over here, because like I said, for some reason this is just making this complicated. It's like it won't go over my ear, it won't lay down. Okay, there we go, I fixed it finally, because I don't like when my ear look all bunched up because of my wig. Okay, I would tie this down, but it don't even make sense to tie it down. I might as well just go in and start cutting and all that stuff, because some of it is not glued. So I'm gonna just go in and cut like this. Even though I should use my razor thing that I be using, but it's straight. This just work easier for me anyways. I'm just gonna basically be critiquing this to make this look right. So yeah, I'm gonna go back on silent mode. Enjoy the music. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit, and I'm just gonna go through and basically just wet up the hair a little bit more. I don't want to drench this hair. I don't even know how I want to wear it yet, y'all. So I'm just gonna, you know, go through and wet it. One thing I do know, this hair smells good. It does smell good. It smells really good. You know, can't have no stank hair out here, y'all. You know, but I have gotten a little shed, like a little, just a little, not too much, not a lot. You can't really go off the hair that's in this brush because I used a different wig earlier. So I was brushing out a different wig, so you really can't say. But I'm gonna do the test in a minute to see how much shedding it does, you know. But other than that, I think Cynosure's hair always have good hair for me. It's just like, I don't know, it's like some companies, their hair be good, but it don't be this good to where you can just put it on and go, you know. This is like a slick kind of beginner friendly pre-pluck. If you don't know how to pluck, you should definitely get it, like all that stuff. I don't know the price and all that because I don't have the link yet, but I mean, hey, you know, I want to go ahead and take this whatchamacallit off, this headscarf. You know, I just put it on there. I want to see how to style it, then put it back, because I just realized I don't have any alcohol, so if I got any of this anywhere else where it's not supposed to be, it's kind of stuck until further notice. So actually, yes, I am gonna take this off because I don't have any alcohol to remove it if it gets a little gluey and messed up. Okay, so it don't look too bad because I can still see the glue. I don't know if y'all can see this glue. If the glue was not there, this is like a flawless wig install, y'all. Like really flawless. I'm definitely going for a side part because I don't have anything to get this glue up with. And so I've been picking at it with my nails, but hell, I barely got any nails. I'm missing so many. Well, I'm missing two. This one and this one. So let's see. Let's get this side part thing going. I love how the part already looks natural and ready to go, y'all. That's what I will say. Uh-oh, it's a little tangle in here. Let me see. Okay. Because I will be doing some edges on this wig. That's what I will do. That's what I will say. This wig is definitely edge worthy. Okay, I do not need to be doing this with this comb because I'm just ripping out hair that don't even need to be ripped out. Okay. Okay, I see you. I see you. This is definitely cute. Like I said, I like the density. I like that it's not so thick. You know, it gives me like, how can I put it? Natural. You know, because some wigs be thick, hella thick, and it's like, baby, this wig too damn thin. But this wig ain't that thick, and I like it a lot. I think it's really cute. I think this is the style right here, y'all. I'm just gonna go in and get some edges real quick, so try to watch me. I should have brought my towel in here. So let's see if I can get some edges going, because y'all know me and edges ain't friends. Like, me and edges don't know how to work. So we're gonna try. Oh my god, I'm scared because I don't want to mess this wig up. Let me split like in the middle part first before I start touching stuff. Because the side part is most definitely cute. Don't get me wrong, the side part is hella cute. Let me see what the side part talking about. Oh shoot, the side part cute too. Okay, I think the side part went. I think I'm going with the side part because at least when I do the side part, the edges are easier to do. I feel like I ain't even gotta go in with no makeup on my part. This is so natural. Natural parting, natural all of that. Only reason I want to do a side part is because some of the glue did not dry all the way. But it's like, hell, it's gonna dry eventually. So, yeah. Actually, I don't even think I want to do any edges. Let's get into this curl pattern. Get into it. Let's get into it, sweeties. Okay, I'm gonna hush because I'm just rambling at this point. I'm gonna style it for real, for real. I am gonna do some edges though. Okay, y'all, this is how it is looking. I'm really in love. This is how the scalp is looking. It's giving me very much scalp vibes. I am gonna go in and put a little bit of powder. Which brush is that? A little powder, like, to blend this in up here just a little. I feel like if I was to let it melt a little longer, it would definitely be blendable. But I feel like this is good enough for me. You know, I'm not trying to be all that, like, you know, I ain't trying to go all out, you know, because I ain't doing nothing anyways. But yeah, other than that, I think this is really cute. I think this wig was very easy to apply. Because some wigs, I'm not gonna care, some wigs I apply, I just take them right back off because it's like, I don't know if I be really wanting to keep it on that long, but I don't use the good glue now. I'm stuck like Chuck until I go to the store and get some stuff for me to, I'm just gonna get that later. For me to get the glue to get it off. But other than that, y'all, I really love this a lot. I think this is really cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys like this hair, make sure I link down below to get some hair. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.